Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, first of all, a Merry Christmas to all of you. Hope you had a lovely Christmas yesterday, and we can see that market is open after Christmas and market is slow. There is not much volume in the market. So if you guys have been trading for the last couple of years, then you must be knowing that in this particular time period, there is not much activity and volume in the market. That's why we have discussed in our previous videos also that this is not the ideal time to trade because there is not much volume in the market. And when there is no volume in the market will either not move at all or the market will show some unexpected, unreasonable spikes. So if you're a beginner, new trader, obviously this is not the ideal time to trade. You should start or expect to trade again after the first week of Jan. Till then, okay, have fun, take rest, okay. And those who are pro, who have experience, okay, you can trade in this market situation, but obviously you can clearly see volume is almost dead. As a result, you should be looking for levels only, because in this particular situation, if you're planning for a swing trade, position trade, then uh, it's not the right decision, okay, because you can clearly see market is trading in a narrow range, not much volume in the market. If you look at the economic calendar, we can see today we have news coming up during the US session, initial jobless claims. Maybe initial jobless claims data will bring some volatility in the market. Maybe we will get to see some spikes in the market, but I don't think so it will be able to give a direction to the market. For 30 minutes, 40 minutes, if you see some trend also in the market, keep in mind that overall market is silent. Okay, so be very careful. For example, after the initial jobless claims, if market drops also, do not take a sell position and sit on it. Or if market takes upside direction, do not take a buy and sit on it. That can be very, very risky. And obviously, we do not have any new levels on the chart right now. So whatever we discussed in our previous video are still very much valid. Okay, so still, let me repeat once. The best selling opportunity on the chart of gold is still around 2650255. Why? We have already discussed many times. It's a resistance psychological level, plus we also have Fibonacci. Then we also have the second selling opportunity around 2638, 2640. So these are the two levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a sell position. This is the best level and this is also okay in this situation. And if you just look at the naked chart here, then we can see we have another resistance around 263132 area, but I don't think so this area will be able to act as resistance, because already we can see the market is facing a little bit of selling pressure around this area. If market forms a big green candle, then this may cause some trouble. Okay, but we can also see 200 moving average coming down. So during the European session, if you see market struggling around 263233 area or around the 200 moving average, okay, you can look for a sell position. Okay, so if gold goes up, we can look for sell position on 265055, 263840, or around the 200 moving average. Right now, we don't have the exact number because it's a dynamic level. And if market goes down, then we can look for best buy around 2600, 2602. It's a support plus a psychological level. But 2600 is far away. I don't think so in this situation market will be going to 2600. So observe the market around 2613 area as well, because the 100 moving average will be acting as dynamic support. So if market takes support, you can look for 20-25 pips buy. And in this situation, again, I'm repeating, my dear friends, not an ideal time to trade. Beginners, new traders, stay away. Again, you can come back after first week of Jan. And experienced traders, you can look for level to level trading. That's it. And sadly, not much to discuss right now. Okay, and that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a lovely day. Enjoy the holidays.